All right. Wanted to review what happened yesterday. Um, End of day yesterday was incredible because I literally called it. When I was trading here, when I got in and we were making our way up, I said we are 100% going to get to 113. It's not going to happen now, but we're going to hit 113 and we're going to go all the way up to probably 170. Exactly what I said. Did not hit 113 right now, and then goes up, hits 113, and immediately afterwards, what happens? Goes straight up, right up to 170. I'm not a genius or anything. Maybe that was just coincidence. I'm just saying that was incredible. Maybe it was nothing but a coincidence. Maybe that's what it was. Whatever. Next day. Fell down low after hours. Jesus. Anyway, back up. I'm thinking Green Day. Just gotta take above these highs after 7:30, 8:30. If we take above these highs early in the morning, then we'll be fine for a Green Day. And ES, same thing. YM's on its way up there. Ooh, YM's weak. Jeez. YM is weak. ES is doing the same thing Nasdaq's doing, so that's good. All right. Keep a calculator up. What? There we go. Yeah, okay. I don't know how many more times it's gonna happen, but it's Saturday at 8:30 in the morning. So why are we doing maintenance at 8:30 in the morning on a Saturday? I don't know. We'll be fine. I don't like how this block is down here though. I don't like that. Maybe I have a virus. Okay, so I'm thinking 15-minute chart over here, 1 hour. I'm definitely thinking green. If we close above this, swing down maybe at 86. We'll come down here again, maybe take these out earlier in the morning, and then we'll close above these highs. Hopefully, if we do, we'll be on our way up. But let's see. Let's run the tape. $7:30 coming quick. Come 7:30. It's gonna come down, huh? What news do we have for this day? Let's see. What is this? March 7th? April. There it is. $8:30 unemployment. Some dude talking at 10 a.m. We'll closing above here. Which is good. 15-minute chart. Oh yeah. We might just go straight up. We might not stop. But we'll see what happens in anticipation of 8:30, because 8:30, that's the real market open. And what happens at 8:30 is truly what's going to happen. And anticipation is the buildup on its way there. $7:30 on the way to 8:30. Typically shows you what direction it might go into, but 8:30 does not lie. Closing above the highs at yesterday, the 170 highs. Gotta close above that 160. We close above 160, we're on our way up. Seems like. I love trading, man. Trading's awesome. Closing above, man. Closing above. Loving it. Close above that 160. Stop playing around. Are we going to do it, or is it going to be a flop and fall down? I think it might fall, personally. I think 8:30 is going to be the real close above. I could be wrong. I've been wrong many times before. So we'll see. Dude, if I can count how many times I was wrong in the markets before I was right, it's incredible. But whenever you start to become right on a consistent basis, damn, doesn't that feel so good to be right sometimes? I don't even care about the money. Like, the money is cool. 2,800 is cool. But just to be right and call it out, it just feels phenomenal. Even like the best of the best are wrong sometimes. But whenever you're like a beginner and you don't know nothing and you're learning and you call the market and what the market does is exactly what you said, damn, doesn't that feel good? You know what I mean? You feel fantastic. Like the world cannot stop you from doing what you want to do. It feels so damn good. It's not always the case, but it feels so damn good. That 170 hit at 10:30 in the morning yesterday really did it for me, man. Oh, was it 11 a.m. 11:30. That really did it for me. Feels so good. Did I not call this as it was happening? Like what? Oh man. Woke up before my alarm clock this morning. I got my sleep schedule in order. Finally. Studying for this insurance exam for 2 weeks. I was up till 1 o'clock in the morning almost every day. 1:30. Had to wake up at 6:30 to go to work. Can you believe it? And if we close below these lows here, close above here, we're going down. But yeah, I was getting maybe 5.5, 6 hours of sleep for around a week straight, a week and a half straight. And once I passed the test, dude, I just slept for like 3 days. I slept for 3 days. I went to the doctor. I thought I had insomnia. Like I can't sleep. I was drinking caffeine like crazy. My body was like, "What the hell are you doing?" You know. And after I stopped doing all that, I felt a little bit better. Started sleeping like 9 hours, 10 hours, 10 hours a day for around the week, and then I feel a whole lot better. But excuse me. Now it's time to get back to work. I got really good sleep for around a week straight, and I think it's time to get back to work and put those hours back in. And this weekend is gonna be a good weekend. It's gonna be a nice, fun weekend. All I'm doing this weekend is sitting behind the computer and backtesting. That's all I'm doing this weekend. And usually I'd be on the boat or hanging out with somebody or doing something, but hey, tell my assistant to cancel my plans because I have backtesting to do. Did I not call this, dude? Did I not call this? As this green candle was forming, I said, I don't think we do that, right? I don't think we close above. I think we go down in anticipation for 8:30. Did I not call that? Whatever, dude. Whatever, dude. Closing below. Gonna go down. I don't know where we're gonna sweep. I really have no idea where we're gonna sweep. Could be here. Could be here. Maybe I think this low we're gonna sweep it and then go back up. But I don't know how far we're gonna go down. I don't have that much experience yet in a downtrend market. I usually focus the majority of my time on an uptrend market because that's majority of the time where the market's gonna go. Pullbacks are cool, but usually when the market pulls back, it goes up even harder. So excuse me. When it goes down, it goes up even harder, right? So I majority of the time spent on studying uptrends than downtrends, because who cares about downtrends? It's good to know, definitely good to know. But during a downtrend, I think I'd rather be drinking a beverage at the beach and trade the uptrend. Making money on the way up and go enjoy yourself on the way down. Yeah, 5-minute chart. It looks ugly right now. 7:30. It looks terrible. Oh, excuse me. I'm not seeing much of anything. Lower highs on the way down, all the way to 0. You seeing this? My prediction, all the way down here. This is my prediction. We're gonna go all the way down to 71, to 71.25. I'm gonna buy in 2 million orders, and then we're gonna go straight back up to 18,200. That's what's gonna happen. I guarantee you. Guarantee. No, I'm not gonna say that. All right, let's see it. Fall down to 71. You ready? Get your mouses ready. We're gonna go down to 71. After we go down to 71, I'm buying all the orders I can get. I'm refinancing my house, selling my car, Selling everything I got. Buy every single share you can at 71. It's gonna be quick. It's gonna happen quick. Let's see what's happening here. 12. I don't know where this movement's coming from. Yeah, this was a good. I mean, it was a decent place to buy. Here, makes sense. What happened here yesterday? Inversion. Yeah, makes sense. I actually don't know if you can extrapolate that from the time frame yesterday to today. I don't know much about inversions to say, but this made sense to me. 730 high. Wait. Well, this is 730. Oh, okay. Well, that doesn't matter then. Holy cow. Where'd that come from? Yeah, I've been saying a holy cow a lot. I don't know why. I don't know where it came from. I just started saying it. I was at the grocery store. I was talking to a lady, and she was telling a cool story about her walk with Jesus Christ. And I said the word "holy cow," and she was like, "What did you just say?" I was like, "Don't worry about it. I say that sometimes." She goes, she goes, "You say holy cow?" And I was like, "Yeah, I'm a old guy up here in my brain. I don't have gray hairs yet, but I'm sure they're coming through." She goes, "You're so silly." Alright. Let's do it. See it happen live. What's ES doing? ES closed above. Okay. Closed above. They're moving in tandem. It looks good right now. It looks good. Moving in tandem. Okay. I like to see that. Why do we gap on the 5 minute? It's better. There you go. Wait, there's still a gap there. There's no gap here. Who cares? $180. We broke above yesterday's high. Can I get an 830 closure above? Holy. Looks good. I think this area was a good, no. Yeah, this area was a good buying opportunity here. 830 hit? Yep. So this is the high. Needs to close above. It looks like it's going to. But ES does not look like it's liking it up here either. So we're seeing 15-minute chart. Looks like it's getting reversed right now. I don't know how much lower it's going to go. It should pick back up soon if it doesn't sweep below this and then go up. Broke above that. Yeah, everything looks good for a long. It's just acting weird at the open up 8:30. Especially because there was news at 9:30. 8:30. It was unemployment claims. It was 10 a.m. That was yesterday. It was 9:30. Okay. So we have unemployment up here. Should see a fair value gap open up here somewhere. This candle keeps messing up. Yeah, I'd like to see a closure somewhere upwards of 300. 300 is ideal. We're gonna get a fair value gap inside of here, hopefully. We're just gonna deal with it. Who cares? It's annoying, but I can't do anything about it. Okay. So this is the ideal. Closed above. There. Get another opportunity here. Stop loss has to be somewhere down here. I think here would work, but it is a fair value gap down here, and it's previous 8:30, so I think that it would be wise to hold back there. So that is from 90 to 50. That's 50 points. Let's do 3 contracts for that. For that here. And we're going to see if that makes sense. Yep, inversions here. Yeah, we should be good here. But we're going to see this area down here, see if that makes sense. So we're at 97. 97 minus 42. 97 minus 42. It should be around 54, 53. 97 minus 42, 55. So we're at 55 points. Multiply that by 2 is 110. 110. So we're at 4.5 contracts. So I could put one more on down here. So let's put one down here. And let's move that. We are going to move our average down, and we'll adjust our risk accordingly. But our risk should stay down here somewhere. 135. That should be roughly around 5 or 100 or so. I just don't want it to close down there. Our risk is 373. Okay, well, I think we're fine. Holy cow, are we falling? Dude, what just happened to me? This thing fell completely. Holy, oh my goodness gracious. Falling down, 1 hour chart. Everything's just flopping. YM's made a new high. I'm gonna stop looking at YM. YM is not following the market here. Did I make a mistake? It's relative equal lows, isn't it? Just about. Made that. Oh, interesting. We reversed. We didn't close above. Oh, I'm sorry, we didn't close below. So let's see. What was my loss on that? 373. Okay. I think we short up here. We might. I think we short up here. We don't get up there. That's fine. Could do another contract. Inversion. This is an inversion up here. I think we can put more up here. I think we can do 2 more. Let's do 1 more. $400. Yeah, it's fine. That closure below, I think we're going to be coming down. This is really interesting what's happening here. You ever feel like there's something that you just don't know? That's how I feel right now. I feel like there's something that I don't know that's happening here. Well, we closed below, so we should be making our way back down and take out these lows down here. But where are we going to target? I think our target's down here for a buyback. If we close below these lows, I'll add in another couple of shares. So our risk is 400. We're going to keep our risk a little. I'm not going to put any more contracts until we break below that down there. Because if we put another one on, it might be above 500 and our risk shouldn't. We should not put another one on because it's going to make our risk unbalanced. Really interesting how we're falling so much right now though. How we completely changed direction just like that. Close below this and we'll bring our stop loss down here. Yeah, ES is doing the same thing. It's like it closed below. Seeing another fall. Close below that 180. I think we're good for to continue this short. Minute looks like a good short as well. We're just in a really weird place right now. Just waiting for it to fall down and close below 180. That's what I'd like to see. There we go. There's another attempt. 15-minute looks weird. 1 hour doesn't look any much better. ES looks like it's coming down. Like complete rejection. It's really weird. If we don't close below 180 here in the next few minutes, I think I'm just gonna leave. What are we consolidating for? There has to be a reason why we're consolidating so much. There has to be a reason, but I don't know what it is. This lack of knowledge is what really bothers me. this is interesting. Wow. Do you think that this is what I was missing? Maybe. And if you extrapolate that, no, this here to down there doesn't really line up. Yeah, this is a losing day. That's fine, it happened. Wow, how interesting. Because it closed above, closed below that, made a relative equal high, and then now it's on its way up. How interesting. In a 5-minute chart, we did the same thing. Oh, that's annoying to look at. I think, well, we can't, if we make another fair value gap, then yeah, I'll get in, but it's this, I can't get in this. Even if I saw that, I can't get in because it never closed above. In this candle. If this candle closed above and then that happened, then yeah, but I can't get in based off of this fair value gap because we never went above. And even over here, it made a fair value gap, but we fell down completely, and I traded it, but we fell down completely, took out that, made our way back up. We never closed above here. So I thought we were in a short term. That's why I said, wow, this is really interesting. I don't know why we're going down right now. Closed below. It looked like we were going to go back down. We didn't, and went back up. Really weird day today. ES never closed below either. Never closed above. It looked like we were going down. So we closed above here. There's no fair value gaps yet. I'm going to take a short, a long here. So that's 217. 280, so it's around 37 points. 37 points multiplied by 2 is 78. 37 times 2, 74. So if 78 would be 39. Because 74, 500 divided by 74, 6.7. So 6.7 shares along. 6.7, okay. Closed above everything. I think this was definitely our entry here, and our stop loss would be down here. 76. So if we look at the daily chart, yeah, huge green day already, man. Holy cow. I want to see it go up to 300 plus 350 today. Would be cool. This got me, dude. This really got me. Wow. Faked me out. Faked me out good, too. They happen. They happen. Hitting a third entry is concerning. I didn't think it was going to fill me down there. We have that. We have another area. There's no other fair value gaps down here. What What are we seeing over here? We have one here as well. But I don't want to see it come down there. That's incredible. Minute, kinda, I guess, over here. Oh, it's in daily. Yeah, we don't have one on 5 minute either. If we put it on, yeah, 5 minute, leave it here. Put it on 1 minute. It's crazy how it didn't get filled though. Made a lower high. This is concerning to me. There's no way that I could have got in here. No way. Nothing I could have done to get in this stock. In here. No way. Yes, making higher highs. As well on the 5 minute. 15 looks okay. Already have 200 points on the day. Probably here. That makes sense. And then 20 points. If it's 20 points, we can double it up. I think it's over. I think it's over for me today. I can't get in. On the opening price, fair value gap, if we get in here, it'd be perfect, but I'm not betting on it very much. It's 41 to 24. If it'll allow me. No time frame makes any sense, dude. I guess if we 8:30 didn't do anything, it's only after 8:30. There's no way it comes down here. No way it comes down here. Dude, I missed all of this move. I see it didn't work today. Well, no pattern works every single time. Right? So. What should we down? 805. That's a good chunk. Let's look at the 3-minute chart. So 50, 25, that'd be 10. That'd be 10 shares. I don't know what's happening here. do it? It's fine. We should not see below this breaker block. I do not. I strongly believe we will not see below that. That should have been the bottom right there. Of this pullback. We should be on our way up. Closure above here and on our way up, I'll buy a couple of more, maybe 5 more. Just gotta close above here. Close above this inversion, then we'll be set for longs. Got to close above that 65. Close above 65 and then close above, 65 and then 70. And we should put another 5 contracts on. Close above 60. And then closure above 70. We should be good. I'm waiting for ES to close. There it goes. Okay. There it is. Let's go to 2 minute on there. I'm waiting for ES to go up. Because right now it's kind of going sideways. Nasdaq's going up. But ES is kind of going sideways. That's probably what's holding this up. But I want to see it close above 65. Upwards of 70. That will be good. Here goes ES. Come on, close above 56. There it is. Come on, ES. We close above. Close above. Come on. Yeah, ES is coming down. Minute chart looks okay on ES. at the highs at 260. Okay. Or I'm sorry, 160. Stuck up there. I want to see ES push up, and if it doesn't, I have to leave. Has to go above 156. Because NASDAQ is not going to push up by itself. It has to have ES go with it. We might see it just top out and just come down because ES is insisting on it go down. I have my risk levels set. Everything's fine. NASDAQ wants to do it so bad, but ES does not. Even NASDAQ wants to go up higher now. 15-minute chart looks good. 1 hour chart looks spectacular. 5-minute looks okay. And 2-minute chart, sorry, 3-minute chart looks good too, but ES just does not. Oh wow, this looks terrible. I'll just bring down the tab. Holy cow. This is what ES looks like right now. This is ES, and it looks terrible in comparison to NASDAQ. So we closed above. Looks good. I really want to see ES close above 56, and if we do, we're soaring way past 300. Maybe we'll see 350. Buying my 5. Maybe down here. We're seeing it happen. There it is. Finally, ES broke above. Finally. Took forever. Yes. Oh, finally. ES finally did it. Holy cow. Bring up our stop loss. Take another 5. This here. Sell 5. Yes, finally, ES. You took so long to break to close above 56. Holy man. How about I start crying, dude? This did not just happen. Can't believe this is happening to me right now. Yes, ES. Yes, keep going. Keep going, ES. Yes. Oh, man. We're fine. We're fine. Don't worry about it. Oh, wow. ES just completely fell. We should be good to keep going up. not looking so good. We should be fine to keep going up. ES is just not wanting to do it. This is terrible. I might be done here. I'm done. Fuck it. I'm done. ES just doesn't want to do it. I don't know what's wrong with it. ES made a lower high, and there it goes. There goes my stop loss right there. Holy cow. ES just did not want to do it, bro. It was... Did I just say bro? Why did I say that? It really didn't want to do it. ES just wanted to keep falling. No SMT available. This is what happens. It comes down. NASDAQ did not close below, but ES did, and that is not good to see. Took 13 shares. It depends. If we see a closure below. I want to see it come back down into here. Sweep this and then keep going up. ES is just not having it, dude. I think that's good. Even on ES looks good for a short right now. Just keeps falling and falling and falling some more. If we close below that, I will be shocked. Seems like we're I'm done here. I'm done here. That's enough. Really weird. Acting really weird right now. And I think I'm okay on that. I'm gonna end it here before I start going on tilt. Really weird day, a lot of trades. But ended up 440.88 in the hole, which is fine. I mean, You're gonna have losing days, and that's normal. But I'm just pretty excited that I almost turned around a red day to a green day. I was really excited about that. I guess I don't have the skills yet in order to do that. Very excited about learning those types of skills. But I think today was overall a very good learning day, and lots of opportunities were had here. I just didn't know what I didn't know, and a lot of that had to do with the position that I'm in right now. I don't have a lot of experience, and I believe that'll come with time. And I don't have the experience yet, but once I do, we're good. But we ended up going up to 300. That was the goal anyway. But ES falling down was really that's what really made me decide to short it there, because there was no SMT. I wanted a quick scalp, but still, just a very interesting day. ES and NQ going back and forth, arguing with one another, and that's what ultimately had me question Nasdaq's movement upwards. Was that I could keep going. I could get an entry. I want to say somewhere in here. No, probably not. I see 2 minutes. Okay, I'll bring that down a little bit. Yeah, here, that makes sense. 13. What is that? What is this here? 67, 89. We'll do 9. Oh, I can't play this song. I can't play this song. It's copyrighted. We should be good for a green. Movement upwards. 325 would be. I don't think that'd be too much to ask for, would it? 325. We could. I think we might see like 370. Honestly, 300 is a good level though. I wanted to see 300 anyway, but seeing 370 hitting those all-time highs would be pretty cool. So I just missed my entry. That's great. Closure above this turns this into a breaker block. I keep messing up my English. Every time I trade, I just get weird. I'll learn to calm down. All right. If ES closes above 60, 160, if we close above 160, we are going up. Seriously. Closure above 160, we are going up, and we're not going to stop. It's just, it's being slow right now. We're at all-time highs, and it's acting a little weird. Looks like on ES, it's acting a little weird. Yeah, it is, but I think overall, if we close above 160 on ES, we're going up. That's 320 points. That's good. Dude, if ES goes up, it's gonna go crazy. This thing's gonna go crazy. We closed above. I think I need to buy in right now, because this is closure above, turns this into a breaker block, and we're on our way up. Like no drawdown whatsoever above here. There's still opportunity here to get above here. I'd say 40 is a good area. So tired of seeing it go way past my spot. That's fine. That's good, right there. Closure above. We're going straight up, and we're gonna see. You're gonna see this thing just go straight to 40. I think this is my new stop loss here. Has to be 12 now, though. ES closed above. If ES closes above, we are going up. Oh, there we go. Holy shit. We closed above. ES is right there, right behind it. We have to see ES go up. ES, close above, dude. No way, it rejected. Oh, man. No way. It's my stop loss set. Bring it down a little bit. Let that breaker block do its thing. Dude, ES gotta do it. Breaker block is still there. Bro, no way. ES rejected like that, man. Are you serious? I was so excited to see ES finally close above and it smacks down like that. What happened? Oh, I'm gonna get kicked off, aren't I? What is this price? 701.26. Okay. I don't know what's happening. Oh, it's paused. Why is it paused? Dude. Really just takes me out of my stop loss and comes up again. Dude, come on, man. What is that? 323. We're fine, dude. Say 10. I don't think I do it. ES has to close above 160. It's yet to do it. You see this giant wick? That's the same time that ES went all the way above and then came back down and closed below 160. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Holy. I was so excited to see this thing go up to 340. Yeah, 20 makes sense. 40, 40. We should be like around 11. Yeah, 12 and a half. Shares. Wait, why am I shorting? What the fuck am I shorting? Think. I'm done for the day. I'm done. I'll take my loss. 701.26. I'll take it. Whatever. Took a $700 loss, dude. What are you, a garbage trader or something? Is this your first time or something, dude? Is your first time trading? You took a $700 loss? Dang. I'd be embarrassed. I'd be embarrassed. 701.26 was it? Yeah. You took a $700 loss? Dang, dude. Cry home to mama. Cry home to mama. You took a $700 loss? Are you even are you even thinking clearly? That's what people say whenever they see you lose money. Bro, you've been on a roll all week and you took a $700 loss? That's like 2 PS5s, bro. That's what people say whenever they see you lose money. Dude, fam, you gotta get better. You gotta do better, bro. Hate that word, bro. Bro. Still up 2,000 on the month though. Still up 2K on the month. In 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days, up $2,000. Who do you know? Huh? Who do you know? I want to see. I think it's gonna come down and sweep that area again. If we look at the 15-minute chart, I still have faith in this day to be a good, have some good movement upwards. We swept somewhere on the 15-minute chart. Where did we sweep at? Oh, I was on yes, okay. We're done. I'm not gonna trade anymore. We're done for the day. We're done. I think we did good. I think we did good. Traded a bit more than I wanted to, but it went against me a little bit today. It did. It did go against me a little bit today. A bit unfortunate that it did, but it did. And these days, you gotta suck it up, take a $700 loss, and call it a day. I know I would have got filled up here. The breaker block looks fantastic, right? But regardless, take a $700 loss, call it a day. I mean, at this point, if it was real trading, I would go and get a massage or something, just relax. I'm not gonna talk about my personal life. That's fine. Next trading day.